Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Sana. Welcome to Crypto Bible. I hope you're all well and having a lovely start to the weekend. I thought I'd show you guys something because there's been something that I've been speaking about for quite a while. I actually done a live stream on it on the 20th of August. Okay, so I'm going to be basing everything in this video around what I was saying on the 20th of August because I noticed something and I was quite excited to actually do that live stream. And just to kind of give you a basic idea of what that live stream was about, I'll give you like a quick brief on it, and then we're actually going to go back quickly and watch like a few like mini clips of that live stream and tell you what I was talking about, and then show you what's actually happened now. Right? What I was basically saying was, obviously, in the market, we keep saying Cardano, Luna, Solana are cool leaders, right? But what we actually done in that live stream was we had a look at the laggers and we tried to identify where the laggers would be as opposed to where Cardano or Luna or Solana may have been in that time of where they are now, right? And we noticed one thing. We noticed that all three of them, the three leaders, were trending along their handy trend line. Okay, cool. We don't use trend lines all the time, but in this case, we are. And in every single case, each of them had a bear trap. Each of them were following perfectly along their trend line. And at one point, all of them had a bear trap. They broke the trend line, came below, which made a lot of retail investors obviously sell because they thought, cool, the trend is broken, we're going down. But then immediately a day or two after, it came back up and then started trending along it again before it just exploded, right? So literally, we were seeing that across the entire market. And I'm not going to go into all of the coins on this video, but we were looking at mid cap coins, large cap coins, even some low cap coins as well. And they were all following the exact same trend. Now, what I'm going to do is show you like really little clips of that live stream. Okay. And just so you get the idea of what we're actually speaking about, then we're going to dive straight into the chart. So make sure you're listening out for these right here. I'll be quiet and I'll put these in big screen for you. To follow Cardano, right? Let's have a quick look and see what actually happened with Cardano. Do you guys remember this area right here? What happened right there? Okay, because what happened right here is that we were following a perfect trend line, bouncing on it perfectly. And what did we have right there? We had what we call a bear trap, where a trend gets broken short term, makes retail investors think that, right, this trend is over now, it's broken, we're going to start heading down, but then immediately jumps back up shortly after, and then starts trending along this line again, right? So right here, we had our bear trap. And this to me was quite significant, okay? Because so that was Cardano. Here's another example. Take a look at this, people. If I go on to the first one, right here, we've got Zcash, and this is Cardano, right? So obviously, Zcash right now is another one that I have longed on the market. And what did we just have? We just had a bear trap, okay? Now for Cardano, that was this dip right here. This dip right here was that dip for Zcash, okay? This dip right here for Cardano, what did it do? Well, that dip basically came back down to retest previous all-time highs, and then we've ended up going higher. Another thing that we spoke about yesterday or the day before, whatever it was, right? So we came back there to retest the all-time highs, right? This dip right here represents the bear trap that we saw right there for Cardano. So Zcash is literally copying exactly the same pattern as Cardano, trading along this trend, having a bear trap, making retail investors think that this trend is now broken. I'm going to sell my position, but then immediately recovering and now trending along this line again, just like Cardano did. So that's Zcash. I've got two more examples. Let's move over to Band, mid-cap coin. What's what? Honestly, look at it. Cardano, here we go again, trading along this trend line. And we know that Band is another lagger in the market. Bear trap, carrying on a little bit, Moon. Band literally perfectly along our trend line. Bear trap immediately back above it. Are we going to carry on a little bit and then see Band Moon as well? Are we going to? That was Band. And then lastly, guys, have a look at this. So again, Litecoin, an OG coin, guys. I don't know why there's so many lines on this one. Litecoin, an OG coin, guys. What did Litecoin just do? It's just copied the exact same thing that Cardano has just done. Trending along our trend line, bear trap, immediately back above. Trending along our trend line, bear trap, immediately back above. And just bear in mind, guys, what did Cardano do right after? Literally a few. So there you guys go. I mean, that was something that I was looking for. And to be honest with you, I'm quite surprised that that has actually happened. It's not something that I was actually expecting to happen, but at the end of the day, it's all about being patient. And that's the thing in this market. Patience always pays off. And also in this case, I did actually post a picture on the Discord yesterday because I wanted to actually show people exactly what I was seeing. And yesterday I posted on my Discord a photo of Bitcoin, and I put the words "what if," because Bitcoin at the time yesterday was trending below our trend line, right? Well, shall we take a look and see where Bitcoin is today? Let me get it up for you guys. Give me 2 seconds because I've just lost my page. Oh no, here we go. Cool. So now, guys, Bitcoin. Where are we now? What did we just do? Here you go. Bear trap immediately above. I mean, I don't know, but it looks pretty good to me. Honestly, this is exactly what everything else was doing. So if we take a look at Cardano, I've done the same thing, right? Cardano right here, it's done its thing. It's gone parabolic right now, right? Luna done the exact same thing, trending along our line, bear trap, back above it, gone parabolic. Solana trending along our line, bear trap, gone back above it. Now we're going parabolic again. In fact, it's just made another new all-time high today. Bitcoin, massive lagger, but as you guys can see, following our trend line, bear trap, right back above it. Are we on the brink of a moon right now? Because to me, it looks like we potentially are. And the thing is, I have to stick with this because I spoke about it. It's something that I was saying for a while. This is the 4-hour chart as well. Look, below it, right back above it. Now we're trending along it. Are we going to moon very soon? So, it's something that I'm going in with conviction. I remember that day of the stream, I said to everyone, guys, I've just spotted something. The thing is, I only showed you 4 clips of the live stream, right? Go back and watch it on the 20th of August. I'll leave it in a link in the description to that live stream because we looked at chart after chart after chart and they all looked exactly the same. The only thing that hadn't had that bear trap yet was Bitcoin. And we also know that Bitcoin has been lagging in the market because if we take a look at something like the total market cap, for example, in regards to where the total market cap is and where Bitcoin is, they're completely different. So if we take a look at the total market cap, as you can see, it's in between the 0.618 and the 0.702. Well, where's Bitcoin? If we go to Bitcoin and we place a fib over it, over the complete top, where are we with Bitcoin? We're right there. We're still below the 618, whereas the total market cap is right here in between the 618 and the 702. So Bitcoin is lagging. It's as simple as that. We've got leaders and we've got laggers. There is a total market cap in between the 618 and the 702. And here is Bitcoin in between the 0.5 and the 618. So, lagging, we know that. We've now seen that bear trap happen, if that even is a thing, which I hopefully it is. And the thing is, I believe it is because everyone else in the market, every other coin in the market has followed the exact same thing. The only difference that we may be seeing is that because Bitcoin has only just had that bear trap along that trend line, of course, it brought the rest of the market down with it. Okay, which is completely understandable because a lot of the market will move with Bitcoin. But we're still seeing things like Solana, Luna, ADA going on to make new all-time highs. Obviously, Solana leading the way completely, making a new all-time high today. So, I'm going in with this still, as I always have, with strong conviction that I'm very bullish on this market. And we are around the corner of seeing something very special. It just requires patience. Every time there's a dip, people are going to start panicking. I get it. But look now, people are probably going to start turning bullish again. I've been bullish the whole time. You could take a look at my videos from the day before or the other day, whatever. I've always presented cases where Bitcoin's bottom is potentially in and we're going to be going higher. I presented cases where we've had a zoomed out look where we didn't even look at Bitcoin and we just looked at the rest of the market to see if it could tell us a story, and it still looked very bullish. So many people are just very tunnel visioned on what's going on with just Bitcoin when the rest of the market is the place where it's actually telling you a story. So people need to start doing that, in my opinion. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. It's just my opinion. But look, guys, hopefully you're on the same excitement level as me and you're seeing exactly what I'm seeing. The people in that stream on the 20th of August will understand where I'm coming from because I presented it and got very excited presenting it. But look, the fact that Bitcoin is now above that trend line, guys, that would indicate that this is lunar. That would indicate that we're around this level here. So could we see a little bit more of a grind up, a slow grind up over the next few days before we go? Or is it just going to go? I don't know. Only time will tell. But we'll keep a good eye on it, and I'll let you guys know if I see anything different. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure your bell icon is turned on so you don't miss any uploads. And join that Discord, guys. I'm keeping people updated there too. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Take it easy, people.